So you want to connect two great people together, but your brain stops you with the, what if they already know each other? What if one of them says, no, I don't want it? Or, will I look dumb? Well, here's how to handle it like a pro. Ask only the person you're closest with if they'd like an introduction. Not both, just one. If they are game, go for it. If not, you haven't committed the other person yet, so no harm done. And if they already know each other, that's even better. You've just reinforced the value of the connection and your role as someone who brings great people together. Good introductions aren't about being right, they're about being generous. You are sharing your network with somebody else.